Yo, so what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I don't know if you guys remember in the last video, I mentioned having some cooling issues. So I went out and to go buy a second-hand radiator and fan, seeing that the one that I had was leaking and the fan wasn't coming in. It was also aftermarket fans, it wasn't mounting in the correct position. So I went to get another fan and radiator. Bought the second story, do excuse this, we are going camping this weekend. But this is the radiator we are. Second hand, according to the guy I bought it from, it is a fairly new radiator. Okay, its lighting is pretty bad, but it doesn't look too bad. Has things and dents here and there, but overall still looks pretty decent. Tested the fan and everything seems to be working. So yeah, it is kind of dark. I'm gonna get the light out in the driveway just so we can see what the hell we're doing. Then I'm gonna take out the old radiator, chuck that, put in the new one. Hopefully this fan comes on the original wiring. So hopefully the fan and things is still working. If not, I'm gonna run it straight to the battery and run it straight to the battery and fit the switch where I can flick it on and off inside of the car. But yeah, let's get to that, and then hopefully our cooling issues are sorted. Then we can do like a proper hammering of this car, because now I don't have any fear basically. I was just buggered, don't smack to blow it, guess anything like that. So yeah, let's get this thing fitted real quick. Shouldn't be a hectic job. It's fairly easy. Pipes off, wires off, and then just fit the new one. Klar. It's a quick time lapse. I'm just gonna go with the detail. Right, so we got light. So we're going to be removing the radiator. As you got the fan off, and I'll show you guys the fan is next already. So yeah. So yeah guys, the old one is out. We're putting in the new one, so it's pretty hanged up already. With all the loose parts everywhere. And there's gang holes in this thing. And now, we're putting this one, which is the new one I bought, second hand. Vika amma saame treke bhavana. And just this.
They better wires together.
Alright. Like a flame on the radiator and okay, so it is the next day, the following day. Radiator's been fitted, fan's been tested. We wired it up. Didn't come in with a fan switch, so we ran it straight to the alternator. I'm going to show you now. The battery was too far, so we ran it to the alternator. This thing here. One sec. So yeah, we just did a quick connection. I just earthed it on the gearbox here, and then we ran a wire all the way around to the back. That's sitting on the alternator. That's just the temporary. I'm gonna use proper wire. This is a speaker wire from my sub that I'm running here in the meantime. But that's just to get it going. Everything is working. I'm just gonna take it for a test drive now, just to make sure everything is working correctly and the car is holding temperature. Radiator is on. This clamp here, this red is actually a bit smaller than what the other original one was. But this clamp here is missing. But I'm going to make a plan to just get it mounted there. It is stable. Not going to go anywhere. But yeah, this is all water from the old piping. I'm still put antifreeze in and flush the system and everything. Yeah, let's just check out if it holds temperature. Okay, so I was having an issue with the water boiling here. Well, not boiling, but it was overflowing here. And then as you can see here, we have the silver pipe here. So it was only this before. So I added this pipe on it, because to my understanding, this is supposed to suck from the bottle and feed into the radiator if you do lose water, and vice versa from here. Push back if it gets too hot and boils over, push it back into this bottle. That's my understanding of how this whole system works. So this wasn't sucking because this pipe only sat like here right on top. So I'll put this pipe and extend it, and it's kind of solved the issue. Not really, still gets hot, but I'm busy making something else here with a T-piece, so it goes in and sucks with the overflow over, because that's how the original cap looks. But I'm still figuring that out. I haven't found an original cap yet. It's kind of difficult. I feel there's a lot of cars like this being broken up, but most of them, the radiators are all gone. That's why it took me so long to even find this radiator. That's also where the delay on the content comes from, is finding spares and parts for it, and people want so much money also for these things. But yeah, we got it. This is kind of working. We're gonna go to Portasig now. I've also took out the mountings on the Polo. I've took out the engine mount or the timing cover side and the gearbox mounting. There was a lot of rocking going on, so those are actually both broken. So I took them to a guy named Andre Rubbers. I'm actually going to pick them up now and super check if the cooling and stuff is a bit better now with this longer pipe on in the water bottle. Yeah, it's kind of been irritating now, this cooling issues that I have. But yeah, we're gonna go get those mounts, and then yeah, we'll see if it holds all the way to Portasig. Yeah, I did make a video on the Polo and how to take out the mounts. Very small, quick video. Not so like a whole vlog vibe, just a how to, what to take off, where it sits, whatever. People looking to save a quick buck instead of having to pay 500 rand for labor, because I know doing mountings can be a costly thing, especially if you're driving your car or whatever. Mountings go very easily. And if you are doing that, I suggest going to Andre Rubbers. I'll actually put his phone number in the description. He does any kind of mountings. So yeah, I'm gonna go there now and just to pick it up. Hopefully the car holds steady. And then yeah, I'll maybe do a video where I put the mounts back in, like a vlog style video. And I'm actually wanting to do a power run on the Polo. So maybe I think that will be the next video. Fitting the mountings. Obviously, there should be a very big difference in the power delivery, seeing that all the mounts will be fine. The dog mount was fine on that car, so yeah, I think that will be my next video actually, fitting the mounts and doing a power run on the Polo. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments if you think that's a good idea for the next video. Okay, so we just have to get garage quickly. Putting in some petrol. We're on about quarter on the heat gauge. Well, the life of it sounds like it's cars, this horse is blowing. It's like a ticking noise, it sounds like a tractor. If you guys can hear it in the video, but not now. It's too busy here in the streets. Maybe I must take it easy on everybody. this car's not going to be driven on a daily basis. Just hold it still. That's very important. Otherwise you're going to go ahead gasket. Yeah, so if I go now, just a quick one. No, I don't get third gear. Fucking grinding. It's grinding these gears. Need to get this box over. It's fun though, don't get me wrong. Fun nonetheless. Lekker. Lekker. Yeah, I'm done now. Now we just cruise. I'm sure you guys enjoyed that. I'm sure you guys want me to miss check it all the time so you can just hear me the high RPMs. Huh? Yo. Can't wait to fix this gearbox problem. Arm. Temperature seems to be looking good. Even after a few calls. Well, actually, not yeah, that's where I would like it to be. Hopefully it stays there. Yeah, we're just about to pull into Watersurf now. And then, yeah, seems to be doing well so far. Okay, now it looks like it's. I look at cutting it very close. Looks like it's hot to me. That seems. No, it looks like it's on temperature. Or slightly over. What do you guys think? I think it's a bit over. Definitely getting hot. The fan is on everything. I don't know. I don't understand why we still have this issue. Coming down a bit now that we're moving. But maybe I must just do the antifreeze and stuff. I haven't done it yet. So I think I'm gonna do that now. Then it should be. Yeah, guys, I'm currently stuck alongside the road. Sorry for the wind. Hope it's windy. Probably messing around with the mic now, but yeah, this is where I am. Stuck here on Vango Drive. If you saw me, if you thought it was me, I just on Vango Drive the other day or today. But yeah, it's me. I'm here waiting for the engine to cool down. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing with this problem. I don't know what it is anymore. Maybe I must keep it changing or bump and stuff. Or I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Kind of depressed right now. So I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Hopefully when I start on the Polo. When I put back the. Well, the next one is gonna be like 2 short videos of how to remove it, and I just the basic. If you haven't seen it and you're thinking of trying to remove your mountings, it's like just a quick small guide. But like the next like proper vlog when I put the mountings out to do a power run. So yeah, I'll see you back there. Yeah. We close today's chapter on a sad note. Stuck on Vango Drive. See you in the next one. If you like the video, please subscribe. And yeah.